Tej Pratap Yadav is an Indian politician. He was a cabinet minister for health and government of Bihar. He was elected to the Bihar Legislative Assembly from the Mahua constituency as a member of the Rashtriya Janata Dal in 2015. He is the eldest son of former Bihar Chief Ministers Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabri Devi. Tej Pratap Yadav was born on 16 April 1988 in Patna. He is the eldest son among the 7 daughters and 2 sons of 2 former chief ministers of Bihar, Lalu Prasad Yadav and his wife Rabri Devi. Tej completed his education till 12th standard. Described as Barapiya, he was said to be turning spiritual and loves to wander around aimlessly. In 2018, he was seen overlooking a large herd of cattle in Barsana at the Mataji Goshala, said to be one of the largest cow shelters in the world with over 25,000 cows. He was married to Aishwarya Rai, granddaughter of Bihar's ex-chief minister Daroga Prasad Rai. He has been accused by his wife of beating her and using drugs and also of cross-dressing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.